So here's some really great free effects plugins. Now, Valhalla to me is one of the best ones. I don't know why, but they just give away some great free effects. There are obviously good ones that you have to pay for, but there's 3 of them which are excellent and they're free. So let's try the first one here. This one's called Valhalla Supermassive. Let's just take a quick listen to it. These are some of the examples. All right, let's try another one called Frequency Echo, and that's also free. Freq Echo, sorry. And let's just take a listen to some of the examples there for Freq Echo. This isn't really a reverb. This is a bit more of a flanger / weirdness plugin. Right, and there's another one that is free and it's called Space Modulator. Now, I use this a lot. It's just so simple when you look at it, but it has lots of great presets. It's basically like just a really wide chorus, but with lots of different options as a chorus. Let's take a listen. Really good on vocals. Take a listen to this one. Now this is a vintage chorus effect. It's called TAL-Chorus-LX, and it can make really any synth sound more analog and more wide. So let's just take a listen to some of the demos for that. Really good. There's one called Dirty Filter, and it's really amazing. Check this out. I mean, that's amazing. I really love that. Or you can get a free EQ by TDR called Nova, and it's really, really good for something that's free. Or you can get an Ozone EQ for free as well. Ozone 12 EQ, completely free. And that is almost as good as the FabFilter ones. And while we're talking about free Ozone stuff, the Imager is free, and really it's something that a lot of producers use. So an Imager like this is really good for mixers, for making them wider or making them more stereo. And finally, the magical OTT, which you can put on any mix or any mix bus, and it just adds that little bit of extra excitement and gain to your tracks, and this is completely free. There are just so many free VST effects plugins out there. All you need to do is Google them, or Google the one that you want. If you want a delay, you want a reverb, you will find something for sure, and you'll find something that's really good. So that in combination with Ace Studio will just really add a lot of vibrancy and power and help you a lot with your mix. So you don't really need a huge budget to start making music. If there's a free plugin that you like, let me know, because I'd be interested to find out how your experiences are with those plugins. If there's a free plugin that you use that you really like, let us know in the comments. I'd love to hear what your experiences are.